Hello, Chef here. So today I'm in one of my offices and I thought I would share with you some facts about chickpeas. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans. So there's a lot of interesting stuff going on out there. People selling all different products, all different grocery stores, markets. You find everything out there, all right? So, and a lot of it's just marketing. I'll show you what I mean right here. First of all, organic garbanzo beans, wild harvest. Okay, so these are USDA organic. However, I question this. This is the same exact thing. They're the same price too, depending on where you shop. If you go to the big fancy giant food store, of course they're going to screw you royally, charge you a bunch of money for this. These were $1.29 a can, so that's pretty cheap, and they are basically the same thing. So don't shop just by brand. The brand means nothing, okay? So they're USDA organic, means they got them certified, yeah. This one doesn't say that, however, it's kosher. Parvi, okay, so it's the same thing. They're garbanzo beans. Now, this is another product that's out there. This is a garbanzo bean that has been double roasted. So this one's been roasted in an oven to dry it out really, really dry. Might add a little bit more flavor too, depending on what you're gonna do with it. Myself, I don't eat these raw like this. I like to cook them, and then I make hummus or other recipes out of them. So I just wanted to show you that and go over that and a little bit about the confusion. So normal serving size around the world would be 1 cup. So 1 cup of garbanzo beans or chickpeas has approximately 39 grams of protein. Super high in protein this stuff is. It's really, really good for you. So there's also a little bit of salt, little potassium, a little bit of dietary fiber, tiny bit of fat, but it's all good. There's vitamin A, there's vitamin C, there's a lot of iron, there's vitamin B6, vitamin D, magnesium, a lot of good stuff in here. So around the world, different countries consume more chickpeas than we do here in North America. United States doesn't consume as much as some of the other places. So very, very popular in North Africa cuisine, like Morocco, and consumed more in Europe, I believe. Middle East, of course, is probably #1. So hummus, with flatbread and everything else imaginable. So another name for chickpea, again, is garbanzo beans. It's a type of bean, and it's also been consumed for thousands of years in Egypt, so a lot of history right there. Really high in protein. Little of the confusion, you start to read the labels and you go, this one here says that in half a cup there's 6 grams of protein. This one here says in half a cup there's 7 grams of protein. This one here says in half a cup there's 16 grams of protein. So all 3 of them are just kind of guessing, I believe. I don't believe that that they're very accurate, because in half a cup of garbanzo beans there's actually approximately 18 grams of protein. 19 grams, around there. So all of these, the information's off a little bit. But anyway, it's all good. Subscribe and search this channel and you'll find some hummus recipes, as well as some interesting ideas and things you can use these chickpeas for. And make sure to watch the next video. I'll be using some chickpeas in the next video. And keep cooking. Have a beautiful day. Thanks for watching. Click that little like button, please.